Tuesday afternoon. We down here still chilling at RIU Palace Aquarelle, Falmouth, Jamaica. Just killing time, ate a little breakfast, drank a few drinks.
Had a little lunch.
Had a little jerk lunch. We have no idea what we're gonna do next because we don't care. Tonight we're going to Kyoto for some Asian flair. Some kind of Asian food. Because we can, not because we're gonna be hungry. We just doing it.
Hey, my philosophy is you paid for it, you might as well eat whatever you want.
But I'm gonna keep reminding y'all now, 2025, September 2025, me and Cheryl gonna be celebrating 20 years being a couple and lovers and plus the marriage part. Just together, good friend.
I'm sorry.
I'm so boring. I'm boring her to death.
I'm sorry.
As soon as I start talking, she started yawning. Anyway, September 2025, y'all need to come hang out with us in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And we don't know what resort yet, because we trying all of them out.
It's going to be a good time regardless.
Just remember, we'll be going to wherever it is all inclusive. Your food's included. Ooh, look at my nails, they pretty. Don't they pretty? That's a pretty, oh, I'm sorry. I'm losing track like that orange man. Anyway, food will be included, drinks will be included, probably transportation will be included. So, you know, because Cheryl gonna work it out for you.
Excursions gonna be included.
Right.
So, you know, come on. One price, you get it all.
September 2025, 17 years of retirement and 20 years with that woman. I mean, with Cheryl.
He couldn't do without me, y'all.
Actually, to tell you the truth, I ain't told this to many people. If it wasn't for her, I'd be dead. So, don't get much better than that, does it? I'm still alive. I think that's a pretty good deal. She's the only reason I'm alive. So, hey, that's pretty good. I love that baby right there. Y'all stay tuned for more highlights from RIU Palace Aquarelle in Jamaica. And next time, and next year,
this should be you.
Should be you. All of y'all. Peace out.
Bye, y'all.
So tell us about the towels, man.
What do you want to know?
How do people get a towel?
You gotta give me a card and I give you a towel.
And when you bring the towel back?
Interview. Yeah, you get back the card.
Cool.
You have the card?
Oh, yeah. Everybody else does. So you check out the snacks, but mine gonna run out here.
buffet. Hope you enjoy.
Got it.
Sorry.
Let me taste yours, right? I'm speaking back there.
Six and a half hours later.
It's Tuesday night, 6:30-ish. Actually, 6:45. We were at Kyoto about to have some Asian food. So you have to order a lot of food. More than we're gonna be able to eat. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for highlights. This meal should be fun trying to eat it. Peace out.